Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you Xiaomi Air Purifier 4 Lite versus Xiaomi Air Purifier 4 Compact. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First, talk about the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Lite. Let's see the specifications first. This is the product name and this is the product model. Product dimension 240 into 240 into 533.5 mm. Net product weight approx 4.8 kg. Effective coverage area 25 to 43 m square. Noise 61 dBA. PMCADR 360 m cube slash h. Particle purification efficiency is high. Let's look at the specification of Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact. This is the product name and this is the product model number. Product dimensions 220 into 355 mm. Product net weight approx 2.2 kg. It is lighter. Effective coverage area 16 to 25 m squared. Noise 60 dBA. Particle CADR 230 m cube slash h. Particle purification efficiency is high. Here you will see Xiaomi Air Purifier 4 Compact versus Xiaomi 4 Lite. Which one is better for you? As you can see, I am in the official website of Reddit, where the people provide their opinions regarding this. As you can see, small and quiet does not go in hand to hand. Xiaomi air purifiers are known to be noisy in high fan speed. If you are looking for quieter units, get something bigger. Having an air purifier work hard means you will need to run it at a high fan speed. Another people says that I am using 4 Lite now almost 1 year, doing well filter air in my bedroom. For sound, yeah, 4 Lite noisy at highest fan level. Always put an auto mode when I go to sleep. But from morning to evening sometimes I put on medium fan level or keep auto depend on the display. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.